Welcome to match number 10 of the Philippine Superliga Invitational 2013 here at the PhilSports Arena.
And ladies and gentlemen, the officials are being announced already to our television audience and of course the audience here at the PhilSports Arena. Once again, match number 10 already. And it's the first time I'm working with Noreen Go.
Yeah, excited to be here.
Excited. I'm excited to see you play. Actually, beside Noreen Go, you don't see it. It's actually Amanda Isada, who is former libero of the University of the Philippines, like yourself, but you're not a libero.
I'm way
Hardly.
too big to be a...
Hardly. Philip Season, of course, our first referee of this matchup between Petron and Bingo Millonarios. We are about to get underway. And of course, Liberato Benito Jr., our second referee. Starters now going to be announced.
The team players from Petron.
From Team Petron. Now we were talking about the underlying theme of this game. It could be an Ateneo-LaSalle matchup. As we take a look at the starting lineup, well, you can see that Cara Acevedo, who did not play in the last two games for Petron, is actually getting the start today for Coach Villet Ponce de Leon.
Well, you know, of course, if you have players from different groups, okay, at different ages, it's hard also to find your first six. So I'm sure Coach Villet's constantly looking for that first six that will work for her.
Well, we're going to see Rhea Di Maculangan get the start. Of course, the last two games, it was Carla Bello who was starting for Petron. Micah Ortiz, of course, gets to start this one. Of course, Rhea and Micah actually came from a retreat in the last time. They actually entered the game in the third set already. As you can see, Coach Villet Ponce de Leon of UST. And now the starting lineup for Bingo Millonario. Ronald Dulay, of course, is the head coach. You can see Panay Mercado, Cheese Said, Mikmik Laborte, Maureen Penetrante who gets the start today. It was Ivy Remulla who was starting consistently for them the last time. Michelle Gumabao. And how about Micah Morada getting the nod at the starting position here today at the open spiker position?
Well, of course, we all know Morada to be a premier player also when she was playing in her collegiate days. And of course, deserving also to be here in the first six.
You see Micah Morada making her entry there. And of course, we can call her now the great Cher Peñano in as a libero for the Bingo Millonario squad. So you can see Ronald Dulay on your screens. About to get underway. Match number 10. Of course, both teams 1 win and 2 losses. That's going to change today. Gretchen Ho, of course, one of the most popular players in the league. And the huddle there for Bingo Millonario. That was a spirited win by Bingo Millonario against Signal HD. They were able to force actually a total of 37 errors against Signal. And Venus Bernal was like 12 for 10,000 in that game. Michelle Gumabao there.
I guess you don't want to compute for the average.
I guess it just felt that way. It just felt that way. You know, you're talking about the tallest front line probably in the league in terms of defense up front. Of course, you have the great Maureen Penetrante Owaño, two-time UAAP MVP. Stephanie Mercado, of course, on your screens as we get underway. Petron first to serve in match number 10 of the Philippine Superliga. The first game of our doubleheader today. Glad to have you with us right here on Solar Sports. Noel Zarate alongside Noreen Go and Ricky Flores from the PhilSports Arena in Pasig City.
Well, you know, Noel, what a treat for LaSalle fans. You know, you get to see Saet again playing with Mercado, playing with Gumabao, and then Peñano.
Wow. And the first serve by Gretchen Ho is an ace. So Gretchen Ho only scored 1 point in that loss against the TMS Philippine Army. Already gets that 1 point now for the Petron Blaze Lady Spikers.
Well, that's a good start for them. Hopefully, that's a sign of bigger things to come.
Here's Stephanie Mercado on the attack. Di Maculangan now across for Anguet Tabaquero. Tabaquero trying to go down the line, but she will miss. So it's a 2-0 start for, or a 1-all now after that error against Anguet Tabaquero.
You know, a lot of people were talking about the performance of Anguet Tabaquero during the previous games. But I was looking at her earlier during spike practice. She was spot on.
Well, let's see if that happens again now. She had an error ready. This time she's blocked by Laborte. Here's Di Maculangan running attack now. Micah Ortiz into the net. So it is a 2-1 lead now for the Puffins of Bingo Millonario.
Well, you don't see that very often. Di Maculangan Ortiz
combination.
Kind of miscue, right?
Well, this will be the first start of Micah Ortiz. Remember, in the win against PLDT MyDSL, Micah Ortiz actually exploded for 22 points. Let's see if she can duplicate that here. They do need her performance here today. Tabaquero going long. So a spate of errors. It's 3 straight points now for Bingo Millonario after that service ace by Gretchen Ho gave the first point to Petron.
Well, those are actually unforced errors committed by Petron. So they have to check that, obviously, in today's match.
Syed, sharp serve, and that one goes in. Wow. And Julian Caballero just looking at everybody at the back line saying, how'd that thing drop?
Well, Petron looking in a bit of a disarray right now here in this first set.
Caballero trying to fix the back line reception now for Petron as Syed goes the other way with this one. Del Rosario with the reception. Di Maculangan across. Tabaquero one more time. And it's dug up by Morada. Gumabaw gets to it. A free ball coming up from Penetrante Owaño. Di Maculangan this time. Back set. Running attack is turned back by Penetrante.
Good cover.
And a free ball coming up from Petron. Here's the runner now, or the open spike coming from Mercado. We have a long rally down the middle, and that is a miss from Micah Ortiz.
Oh, that's a sorry error because, you know, Petron looking for the check, but Ortiz obviously pushed it wide.
Look at that front line of Penetrante and Laborte. As Chisay continues to serve now for the Puffins, up 5-1.
Another good serve.
Del Rosario gets to it. Di Maculangan, here's another running attack. Micah Ortiz dug up by Syed, but this time no support coming from Laborte. So finally, a running attack from Micah Ortiz connects.
Finally is the word indeed, because you need to take advantage of the fact that Ortiz is in the front row.
Right. Now Rhea Di Maculangan will put it in play. Di Maculangan, of course, a former finals MVP in the UAAP. Mercado, Syed, back to Paneng. Paneng going cross-court and nothing Tabaquero can do about that.
That's right. You know, that wasn't the most powerful of spikes, but the angle was really tough.
I said a while ago that it looked like Paneng in that win against Signal HD. Looked like she just stepped out of the college courts. The way she played in scoring 11 points in that game. Penetrante now with the serve. Caballero with the reception. Di Maculangan back set. Tabaquero snuffed out by Mercado. They go to the other side right now. The lefty, Cara Acevedo attacking. And Mercado gets it across. Del Rosario.
Good rally we're having.
And another block there coming from Laborte this time. And Mercado puts it away for Bingo Millonario.
Easily, just being really aggressive. I'm talking about Bingo, the Bingo squad. And, you know, it pays off for them.
Take a look at it one more time. It starts with the defense of Laborte at the net. And an easy put away there from Paneng Mercado. And Penetrante Owaño with the serve. Di Maculangan, another back set. Another runner from Micah, this time dug up by Chisay. Here's Paneng Mercado. Into the net she goes. It is a net violation against the Puffins.
A case of over-eager there. You know, if you get the nice set, I'm sure these players are raring to really just get a very emphatic kill.
I'm trying to think kung nagkaabot ito si Chisay at saka si Paneng Mercado in college.
Oh yeah, I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Served by Tabaquero, fielded. Here's Morada from FEU. And Morada, simply done. First technical timeout shows Bingo Millonario up by 5, 8-3. We will be right back.